All right, so this is a good one. I can't quite figure it out, but yeah, it's not listening to the line weights and the object styles, so I won't go through that with you again. But for right now, instead of trying to figure this out, and I'll look into it a little bit more, I think probably what I would do if I were you is, and I did this, is go to your floor plan. And this is the section that we're using, and I think it's related to this section, but I don't know why. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do another section. So I'm going to go to View, Section, and I'll set it to the building section. Right, you could use any of these, but I'll just use the typical building section, and I'm going to cut it, in a similar place that this other one is, right next to it. And if I double click on that one, right, and I come in and we're looking at that, if I go to find, you can see it's got the same settings. And then if I use this one to create the call out, right, I'll just do the call out here and pull this guy around, and double click on it, and then I come in here and set this to fine, right, do all the stuff that the video is telling you to do. 1 inch equals a foot, right? And then if I go into my object styles, so manage object styles, right? And I scroll down to the walls and flip this guy to something thicker like 8 and hit apply, then it's definitely working, right, in this one. And so I don't know why it's not working in the other one. But I would do this, right, and get it set up the way that you want it, and then just go back to your parapet detail and just window around everything, filter it out, and just get rid of everything, that is not detail related. So you just want to get rid of the structural framing in the walls, right? And if you want to keep all this, just click OK, go to the copy right here, copy it to your clipboard, go back to the new section that you just created, and just paste a line to same place, and it'll all come in, right? And then just to double check, if I go to my object styles and go through and adjust the wall thickness, right, to 7 and hit apply, you'll see that it's working, right? So you can do that. You do have a put it back to 5. There is a tab select through here. I think there is this guy, which is a masking region, right? Which you probably don't need to be that big, right? You probably don't need it there at all. The masking region is probably just to get rid of maybe the roof, but what I would do is go in and actually, you can hide the roof if you want to, and just use the detail items to show where the roof is. Is probably what I would do. Okay, so that's it. But if you have any more questions, let me know.